Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your wealth management strategy with UBS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements, tax returns, and investment portfolios. Take note of your assets, liabilities, and cash flow. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Consider factors such as retirement, education funding, and major purchases. Schedule a meeting with your UBS financial advisor. Discuss your financial situation and clearly communicate your goals. Request a comprehensive review of your existing wealth management strategy. Ask for insights and recommendations based on your current financial landscape. Evaluate the investment options presented by your advisor. Consider diversification, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon in this evaluation. Review any fees or expenses associated with different investment vehicles. Seek clarification on any terms or concepts you do not understand. Develop an updated wealth management plan with your advisor. Make adjustments based on your goals and market conditions. Set measurable milestones to track your progress over time. Regularly review your financial plan to ensure it aligns with changing circumstances. Schedule regular check-ins with your advisor to adjust your plan as needed. Stay informed about market trends and changes in the economy. Educate yourself on personal finance and investment strategies. Maintain open communication with your advisor to foster a strong partnership. Take proactive steps to stick to your updated strategy. Remain patient and disciplined as you work towards your wealth management goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.